Hey guys, I wanted to say a quick word. With all the uncertainty and also negativity and sometimes worry about the future is always anxiety prone. And I don't know what different situations everybody's in, but for me right now, I just want to say, like, I'm having an absolute blast doing stuff on my computer. I'm having so much fun, and a lot of it is due to using AI for a bunch of different things. And like, yes, this year being a software engineer has been somewhat of a existential crisis to some extent, like figuring out what's happened to handwritten code and is there a future for software engineer, and is it a sad thing what's happening to software, but I realized, like, before writing code, I just liked computers. Like, this is me, right? I just enjoyed using computers and fiddling with computers and playing with computers. I like building computers. So it's pretty cool to just see, like, how computers can stretch their legs and how far you can push them. I've been having an absolute blast, like, you know, doing a bunch of different stuff. Like, I find that I'm doing at least three different things simultaneously. If I'm not doing at least three things, I don't feel like I'm being productive. Like, and I'm doing stuff I would have never been able to do in the past. When you're busy debbing something and you're like, yeah, wouldn't it be good if this and this and this and this and this? But it's just a thought. It's not realistic, right? Like, imagine if I built like this or I built like that. You wouldn't really do it. But now it's like a thought. You have a thought and you can just do it. Like stuff that I would have never had time to do in the past. Even thinking back, like before, if I had a superpower or something, I would have said, I wish I could make a hyperbolic time chamber where, like Goku, I could just freeze time and go and like catch up on all my work that I'm behind on, and come out and have everything's perfect and my code perfect and meeting all the standards that I want, where I'm like constantly fighting, trying to get the code to the place that I wanted, and it's like, it's never getting there. Like, I don't have that desire or want anymore to create a hyperbolic time chamber where I can just pause time, do everything, come to work the next day and be like, hey guys, check it out. So anyways, I'm having a lot of fun. I find that if you're doing more than three things, you're probably a little bit like Magnus Carlsen playing against 70 different chess players at the same time. I can handle three, at least three, then I feel like I'm good. I can switch between things, monitor the progress of things, take care of a bunch of different initiatives. And it's fun. Like, I'm having fun with it. So, like, all the negativity aside and the worry and the anxiety, for me, I just like computers, right? I like code. Code is great. Like, actually, the best thing I've been doing this year isn't with AI. The most enjoyable thing I've been doing is learning Rust. That's been so cool. Like, Rust is so awesome. I love result pattern. I love, what do you call this? The match pattern. It's so cool. Like, that's the way I want to write code, and that's probably one of the best thing I've done this year is spend some time learning Rust, and that has nothing to do with using AI. So code is awesome, and it's really cool, to build stuff with code and to use computers. So even like being a hobbyist, like I've been enjoying running my 3090 RTX graphics card, playing around with local models, seeing what I can do, right? So anyway, that's it from me. Stay positive, guys. I hope you can stay positive, like in the midst of whatever you're going through, and enjoy. Like, we have to enjoy what we do. Okay, cheers for now.